How do you simplify square root 432? Well, let's begin with a factor tree because this will help us find all the prime numbers that make up 432. So let's begin with 2 times 216. Circle the 2 because it's prime. And then let's go 3 times 72 is 216. 3 is prime. Then I know 9 times 8 makes up 72. Then we have 3 times 3 equals 9. 2 more prime numbers. Then 4 times 2. 2 is prime. And then 2 and 2. So now what we do is we have all the prime numbers that make up 432. And so next, let's write them all under a square root sign. So I have a 2, and then we have 1, 2, 3 2's here. And then it looks like we have 1, 2, 3 3's. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3. Now we have all the prime numbers under the square root sign. Since it's a square root, which is 2 numbers multiplied together, we can pull out pairs. So there's a pair of 2's, and here's another pair of 2's. We can pull out a pair of 2's, and here's a pair of 3's. We can pull those out. And then we have a 3 left under the square root sign. So now we can just multiply these together. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. So it's 12 square root 3. So that's how you simplify square root 432. I hope that was helpful.